Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. This is a tutorial as to how to use the SimpleLift bottom rail on a horizontal blind. And as you can probably see over my head there, they've got these 2.5-inch horizontal blinds throughout this property. And we're just going to look at this one right here. So when you look at it, there are no cords that hang outside of the ladders. So in order to tilt, simple twist of the wrist, fingers will control the tilt of the blinds. That's kind of normal. On the bottom though, as you can see, there's no cord over here to grab a hold of to lift. It's done through a spring automated system, and you see this little button on the bottom. You just grab that, push the button, raise it to where you want, release the button, let go. Push the button, grab, move down, grab, move up. You can stack it very easily all the way at the top. Just let go. No sag back. It just stops. Push the button, lower it all the way to the bottom. I recommend pulling it towards the outside to get it to the bottom and then letting it go back in. That way your fingers don't get in the way. So that is how to use that SimpleLift operation. And when it comes to this type of a shade or blind, because some of the, actually now it's just horizontals that have it, but you want to know how to use it, especially if you're a renter and you don't want to damage other people's property, or if you're just trying to show maybe kids how to use it. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.